Welcome back to Tools and Toys.
Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Harbor Freight powder coat system.
No?
What do you mean?
No! That's the most dumbest videos in all YouTube.
Well, what videos are the dumbest videos?
Unboxing ones.
Unboxing videos?
Uh-huh.
Well, how are we supposed to tell everybody what we have?
I don't know, but let's just get this out of the way.
Today we're going to be not doing an unboxing video.
Yes, we are, but the tools are out of the box already, silly.
Oh. Okay. Harbor Freight powder coat system. A professional system. The Harbor Freight professional powder coat system.
No, not professional. Even though it does a good job and all, you can't expect professional results from a cheap Harbor Freight rule system, I think.
So I'm not a professional just because I bought the Harbor Freight?
Oh, no. It
No?
does a good job, but we're not professionals.
So are you saying that to have professional results, I actually need to buy a quality powder coat system?
Well, I mean, I guess.
But will this one work good enough for what little bit of stuff we do?
Well, sure.
Like a home hobbyist type?
Oh, I guess, because they're pretty good.
Okay. Well, we're going to give it a try. And once we get some stuff done, we'll post another video to check out the results. Anything else you want to add?
Oh, yeah. Make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the bell to receive notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Y'all take care.